Hi everybody, welcome back to Kenchestown Kitchen. I'm Jason. Happy Friday, happy weekend. We hope everyone's keeping safe, healthy, sane, pouring your creativity into lots of exciting projects. We're gonna pour a cocktail. That's about what we're ready for. Tonight I'm gonna make an espresso martini. We like ours a little bit spiced, so I'm gonna put some smoked sea salt. I love this molten smoked sea salt. A little bit of ginger and ground nutmeg, also good for the immune system. So we're gonna use Mr. Black's coffee liqueur, just some vodka, into the shaker and into a chilled glass. So I'm gonna mix this up for you. It's a simple drink, delicious. And for our espresso, we pre-brewed, we're using our friend Bodil's Crew Cafe. It makes a delicious espresso. So we have our pre-made Crew Cafe in a little pitcher. We're gonna do the vodka first. I'm using Grey Goose, but you can use any vodka that you like. I put in my shaker, I filled it with ice. As much ice as you want. We're gonna strain it, and I'm gonna do 1.5 jigger of vodka. And my Mr. Black's coffee liqueur, I'm gonna put that in. So I'm gonna do 1 jigger of that, as we've done 1.5 of the vodka of choice. And this is sweet enough, so I don't use sugar syrup, but some people like to put some simple syrup. And our espresso. Again, 1 jigger of espresso, about the same amount. And then I put in a pinch of the smoked salt, which gives it a really nice flavor. A little bit of ground cloves, a little bit of ground nutmeg into the shaker. That goes. Make sure it's on tight. And we're gonna shake it up, get it nice and cold. I'm not an expert, as you can see. This is my exercise for the day. Get it nice and frothy. We're gonna grab a chilled cocktail glass, martini glass out of the fridge. Give it another little shake. And then strain that into the glass. You can garnish it with a couple whole coffee beans if you have them. I'm gonna do a little sprinkle of nutmeg. And there's our spiced espresso martini, perfect for quarantining inside on a Friday night. Safe and happy weekend, everybody. Be well. Thanks for joining us.